Hello you, it's me Ross. Are you well? You are? That's really good news. So I've just got a new ring light. It's an 18-inch Neewer on Neewer. I'm not sure how you say it. Got it off Amazon. Really good deal. Super low happy price. So I'm going to unbox it and do some tests. So let's just get right into it right about now. As you can see on my face when I first opened the box, I was quite surprised that it came in this high quality carry case. I really wasn't expecting it. It comes with an instruction manual. I'm probably never going to read this. I really should, because it came with a couple of extra clips. I was like, don't need them. So it comes with some like frosted white diffuser plastic panels, and there's also some orange ones. Is it dimmable? Yes it is. You can go from bright to a little bit brighter. So this is the light stand. It's constructed of aluminium alloy, or if you're in the USA, aluminum, giving it exceptional strength. I don't know about that. I'm not sure how good of a stand it is. I wouldn't trust your life on it, but it does the job. I like the fact that you can fold the legs up so you can make it really portable. The only one maybe small issue that I've had so far is this top kind of mechanism where you can adjust the light forwards and backwards. I don't know how long that's going to last over time. It feels a little bit flimsy. I wouldn't trust anything too expensive on there, to be honest. So here I am clicking on the plastic panels in the front. They've got like little grooves in them so you know which way they fit together. And at the very bottom, one of them, which I realised halfway through, there's like one, you start at the bottom and work your way around. It's a lot easier, but I don't read instructions. My overall opinion is so far from using it, it's good. So I'm going to test it now in a few different situations and you can see what you think of it. Welcome to my spare room. I must apologise, this is horrendous. So it's really sunny outside, I have no lights on. This is what it looks like with bright sunlight coming in. But as you can see right now, the weather's changing fast. So one of the problems with using sunlight is obviously sometimes you're going to get dips and non-dips in the light. So now it's getting bright again. But daylight serves you well really, as long as you don't have it on auto white balance and things. You'll probably be okay. So this is now with the ring light on its lowest setting, but obviously I do have daylight coming in as well. But as you can see in my eyes, it really lights up the eyes. If I was to turn it off, you can just see the difference there. The reason I've got it on its lowest setting is because if I turn it up, it's going to be overexposed. This is now with my softbox and my ring light on. So I also have the natural light coming in, but the good thing is if you've got more than one light, obviously in the real world you may want to light up your background, and you can see there obviously you'd need to adjust the exposure, but having the background illuminated can make a big difference to the quality. If say you've got soft boxes and you wanted to use the window and then maybe light up your background with your boxes, it's really up to you. But this is the ring light and two soft boxes. If I turn the soft boxes off, you'll see it just adds a bit of shadow to the side of my face. This is with the ring light on. We'll turn the ring light off. Now we'll just turn this softbox on. And now we'll turn this softbox on. Now I love a softbox that gives you like a really flat complexion, and if you're like me, you've got dark under eyes and stuff, it really helps. Whereas this ring light, once you add this on, I mean, it looks great there, but I have noticed the light is maybe a bit harsher, because if you're not in it, you can see there, if I move slightly to the wrong place, it gives you some really pretty severe shadows. So having the two softbox lights definitely helps. So this is now with just the ring light. If I move around, you can see the effect it maybe has on my face. Obviously the closer you get more of that, you can see more of that ring in the eye, which is an effect a lot of people like. But I do think if I'm going to continue to use it, I would probably keep a softbox on, just because it takes away some of the harsh shadows. But let me know what you think. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're thinking about getting one. I'll leave a link in the description to the light I got if you're interested in getting it. and I will see you all soon. Lots of love. Goodbye. Ooh, that's probably not a good look.